OnePlus has confirmed that it will launch a new phone named the OnePlus Ace 6T later this month in China. The world's first smartphone to ship with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Paired with the Adreno 840 GPU for demanding graphics workloads. It will feature up to 16GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage. Run ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. It is positioned as a performance-focused phone with 165 frames per second gaming. The OnePlus Ace 6T will feature a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. The device is said to include a 32-megapixel front camera and a 50-megapixel plus 8-megapixel dual rear camera system. It will be backed by a massive 8,000 mAh battery supporting 100W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.